Reason why I say it's shocking because it's so simple, we don't do it. Taking that negative feedback that we get from our stakeholders and communicating it out, documenting it via email or and sending it out to the rest of the team. Now, I know that scares a lot of people when I say that, but sometimes we don't have the option, or sometimes we don't have the option to be able to go back and forth with someone. So being able to document it via email, maybe this will make a not maybe this will make the stakeholder be heard. And if they want to be heard, they want to be seen, here's an opportunity for them to be heard and seen. And they may even come over top of the email and say, yes, this is exactly what I was recommending. This is the frustration I'm having. Thank you for having the courage to send this out because I've been feeling this way and I'm tired of talking in silos where nothing is getting accomplished. I'm tired of talking to people that are not doing things about it. So now we put it in your hands, Mr.